Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 games that are even more fun to play when you use an autoclicker. These games are perfect for those who want to maximize their gameplay while minimizing the amount of clicking they have to do. First up, we have Roblox. This popular game has a lot of clicking involved, especially when you're trying to build or create something. Using an autoclicker can help speed up the process and make it easier to create whatever you want. Next, we have Minecraft. Whether you're building a massive structure or digging out a mine, an autoclicker can save you a lot of time and make the process much smoother. Up next, we have Cookie Clicker. This game is all about clicking, and an autoclicker is practically a must-have if you want to get anywhere in the game. With an autoclicker, you can quickly rack up cookies and unlock new upgrades. Moving on to Runescape, an autoclicker can help you level up faster and gather resources more efficiently. Whether you're fishing, mining, or fighting monsters, an autoclicker can help you do it all with ease. Last but not least, we have World of Warcraft. This game has a lot of repetitive clicking, especially when you're grinding for levels or farming for loot. With an autoclicker, you can automate some of these tedious tasks and focus on the more exciting aspects of the game. So there you have it, our top 5 games that are even more fun to play with an autoclicker. Do you have any favorite games that you like to use an autoclicker with? Let us know in the comments below.